So here is my refrigerator wine cooler I just bought, which I absolutely love. And I don't hear any noise. I heard a lot of people saying that they heard some feedback on noises. There's no noise. It's quiet. Quiet. I had it on 41. It's on 43. I'm about to turn it back down. Everything has been going really great. The only thing is I wish that I had a blue light up there. I think that's really beautiful. So I think I'm going to try to change that out. Other than that, you see it's full. I have one more row in there, and I got 3 bottles I'm putting in the end here. And it's all full. Sorry, my socks in the back, but yeah, I haven't had any complaints. I will say, when it was a little warm in the house, I did get some what is it, perspiration built up on the bottom, but as soon as it cooled off in here, that went away. So yeah, but other than that, I'm loving it. And yeah, I'm excited about it, and I love it. All right, so I do recommend this product. I did see some negative, a lot of positive, but I absolutely love it. And I have it right here. It's not up against the wall. It's not making any noise. And it's doing exactly what it's supposed to do. All right, good product.
The wine refrigerator. This is the amount of noise, as much noise as it makes. It also does fit a good amount of wine in there. Mine works. I know I've been hearing a lot that does not work, but it's nice and cool. Also at the bottom, you can fit a 1.5 liter in there. So if you do have anything big, you can fit that in there. It's just, you may not have room for anything else. So definitely closes. It comes with a key, so that one does lock. And yeah, it's not exactly all that big, which is good. It's nice and compact. And yeah, I love it.
Fridge is a replacement fridge. It's stuck at 18 degrees on the dial. You cannot change it. And it's absolutely warm inside. There's no cold air on these glasses, as you see. No fog. And I open the fridge up at 18 degrees is normal. Temperature in here is 70 degrees. It's very defective merchandise. This is my second fridge, and Amazon sent me another one on Wednesday. I would not purchase Ivation if I was anybody. It is an 18 bottle Ivation wine cooler fridge with the lock on the bottom.